Arts Awards, SSC exams. Lata Mangeshkar received Bharat Ratna Award in 2001. Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra Award is given by the state of Orissa. Guru Gangadhar Pradhan Award is given. In the field of dance, the Kalidas Samman is awarded annually by Madhya Pradesh government. Anindita Niyogi Anam received the National Nritya Shiromani Award in The field of Kathak dance. Rama Vaidyanathan, an Academy Award winner 2017, is belonged to Bharatanatyam. The Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra Yuva Pratibha Samman 2021 was presented to Arushi Mudgal for Odissi dance. The youngest recipient of the Padma Vibhushan Award 1984 in dance was Pandit Birju Maharaj Kathak. Amanur Madhava Chakki was awarded the Padma Shri for dance form. Kutiyattam 1982. Kanaka Raju received the Padma Shri in 2021 for Gussari folk dance. VP Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan received the Rashtriya Kalidas Samman in 2019-2020 for Bharatanatyam. Dhanakanta Bora Barbayan has been conferred the Padma Shri Award 2013 for Satriya dance. Vishwa Mohan Bhatt won the Grammy Award for A Meeting by the River What Raikuda in 1994. Kalidas Samman is presented annually by the government of Madhya Pradesh. The National Award for Classical Dance is called Abhinandan Saroja Award. The first Carnatic musicians received the Bharat Ratna was M.S. Subbulakshmi. Rani Machaya was awarded with Padam Shri in 2023 for Ummathat dance. A.R. Rahman won the Oscar Award for the movie Slumdog Millionaire in 2009. The playback singers Udit Narayan Jha received the Padma Shri in 2009. Udit Narayan Jha received the Padma Bhushan in 2016. Lata Mangeshkar Award instituted in 1984. Nirmala Panikar received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for 2019. Nirmala Panikar received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for her contribution to Mohiniyattam. Bismillah Khan was awarded with the Bharat Ratna in 2001. The first person to receive the Padma Vibhushan from Orissa, Kelucharan Mohapatra. Kelucharan Mohapatra received the Padma Vibhushan in the year 2000. The first person to receive Jnanpith Award for English Literature was Amitabh Ghosh. Padma Shri 2020 awardee Shashidhar Acharya is an exponent of Chhau dance. Gopika Verma received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Fellowship for Mohiniyattam. Tapan Kumar Pattanayak won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in Chhau dance. Sadanam P.V. Balakrishnan won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in Kathakali. Radha Srida won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2018 in Bharatnatyam. The youngest recipient of Padma Vibhushan in 2003 Sonal Mansingh. The youngest recipient of Padma Bhushan in 1992 Sonal Mansingh. Malena Salvini has won the Padma Shri in 2019 for Kathakali. Aparna Sadisan was given Bharat Shastra Nritya Pravina National Award. For Kuchipudi, Manjamma Jogati won Padma Shri for the contribution in arts in 2021. Pandit Birju Maharaj has received the Soviet Land Nehru Award. Alarmale Valley has won the Bala Saraswati Award in 2019. The honor of being the Asthana Nartaki of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams was held by Yamini Krishnamurthy. Alarmale Valley received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2001. Jatin Goswami received the Best Dance Director Award from the Assam government. Gangadhar Pradhan received the Padma Shri Award in 2008 for Odissi dance. Kelucharan Mohapatra has won Padma Vibhushan Award in 2000. Shobana Narayan won awards and recognitions for the development of Kathak. National Film Award for Best Choreography for the movie Vishwarupam was awarded to Pandit Birju Maharaj. Gopal Prasad Dubey won Padma Shri in dance form of Chhau. Sajata Mohapatra won Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for her contribution in Odissi dance. In 1968 Mrinalini Sarabhai was honored with a gold medal for choreography for Ballet Folklorico of Mexico. Pasumathi Ramalinga Sastry won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in Kuchipudi in 2018. In 2015, M.N. Subramaniam Endowment Award the Music Academy Madras was awarded to Alarmale Valley. Anindita Niyogi Anam has been awarded with National Nritya Shiromani The couple were Nadil Pudiyavittil, Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan, won Padma Bhushan in 2009. Kalamandalam Kalyani Kuttiyamma received Kerala Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship in 1974. Gadam Padmaja Reddy won Padma Shri for Kuchipudi dance. C. V. Chandrasekhar was awarded the Padma Bhushan for his contribution in Bharatnatyam. Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in Manipuri in 2018 was given to Akham Lakshmi Devi. Radha Srida won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2018 in Bharatnatyam. Kalamandalam Vasu Pisharadi was awarded the Kerala State Kathakali Award in 2012. Sunaina Hazarilal received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for Kathak. Darshana Jhaveri received the Padma Shri for Manipuri dance. Shovana Narayan was received Parishad Samman by Delhi government. Jatin Goswami awarded with Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2004. Gopika Verma won the 2018 Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for Mohiniyattam. TTK Memorial Award by Madras Music Academy was awarded to Vempati Chinna Satyam. Sunaina Hazarilal was awarded the Padma Shri for the contributions in Kathak. Yamlambam Gambhini Devi was awarded the Padma Shri for Manipuri art form. In 1994, Natya Visharadha was given to G. Padmaja Reddy. Sudhendra Narayan Singh Dio was awarded the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award for Chhau dance. Kala Ratnam 2016 and Kala Shri 2011 was awarded to Sunanda Nair. Arjun Singh Dhurve was awarded the Tulsi Samman 1995 by Madhya Pradesh government. The honor of Sangeet Natak Akademi Fellowship carries 3 lakh rupees along with Tamrapatra and Angavastram. Guru Bipin Singh is associated with the dance form of Manipuri. Kalamandalam Raman Kutti Nair received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Fellowship for his contribution to Kathakali in 2004. The Tagore Ratna and Tagore Award was instituted by the Sangeet Natak Akademi in 2012. Deepika Reddy received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2017 for Kuchipudi. National Tansen Samman was instituted in 1980. Bihari Puraskar as a literary award instituted by K. Birla Foundation in 1991. The Murti Devi Award is an Indian literary award annually presented by Bhartiya Janpeeth. Malika Sarabhai bagged the Best Actress Award in 1975 for Meena Gurjari. Shruti Bandyopadhyay, Manipuri dancer, received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2020. Birju Maharaj bagged the Filmfare Award for Best Choreographer in 2016 for film Bajirao Mastani. D. Iman won the 67th National Award for the Best Music Director for the movie Vishwasam. Devdas Smriti Panthi Dance Award is related to Chhattisgarh. 48th Dada Saheb Phalke Award received by Asha Bhosle. Recipients of the 62nd Dada Saheb Phalke Award Shashi Kapoor. The first recipient of the Dada Saheb Phalke Award was Devika Rani. Sangeet Natak Akademi Fellowship is conferred by Sangeet Natak Akademi Manna Dey, honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2007. Akademi Award recipients' purse money prize in 2019 was 1 lakh rupees. Sangeet Natak Akademi instituted Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar in 2006. Shri Shanmukhananda National Eminence Award set up in 2002. Kalidas Samman presented in classical music, classical dance, plastic arts and theatre. B. Herambanathan Bharatnatyam received Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2013. Chevalier of Arts and Letters Award French Award in 2004 received by Alarmale Valley. Kalaimamani is the highest civilian award of Tamil Nadu. Deepika Reddy Kuchipudi received Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2017. Kalidas Samman presented annually by Madhya Pradesh government. The French Palme d'Or in 1977 received by Malika Sarabhai. Bharat Muni Samman is given by Nalanda Dance Research Center. First Indian woman to win a Grammy Award. Tanvi Shah, Madhya Pradesh started the Lata Mangeshkar Award in 1984. Railway exams. The Sahitya Akademi was inaugurated by Government of India in 1954. The Vyas Samman, a literary award, was first awarded in 1991. Devendra Mewari was awarded the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2021 for his play Natak Natak Mein Vigyan. Grammy Award is associated with music. The first rapper to win Pulitzer Prize for music. Kendrick Lamar. A.R. Rahman won 2 Oscars for Slumdog Millionaire in 2009. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is awarded for significant public achievement in field of cinema. Police exams. Annapurna Devi was received the Padma Bhushan in 1977. Chitra Vishweshwaran Bharatnatyam dancer received the prestigious Natya Kalanidhi Award in 2021. Geeta Mahalik won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2009 for Odissi dance. Aliana Sataristi received the Padma Shri in 2006 for Odissi dance. Pandit Ravi Shankar received the Japan Art Association's Premium Imperial Prize for Music in -1997. Bhuban Kumar won Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2021 for Chhau dance. Radha Sridhar received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2018 for her contribution in Bharatanatyam. Kathak Guru, Shobana Narayan received the Padma Shri in 1992. T. Janbai, a famous artist of Pandwani music, received the Padma Vibhushan in 2019. The first Indian musician to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award was M.S. Subbulakshmi. Kelucharan Mahapatra received the honor of Padma Vibhushan in 2000. P.T. Ravi Shankar, sitar player, was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1999. Pandit Birju Maharaj received the Padma Vibhushan in 1986. Purushottam Dadhij Kathak dancer was awarded the Padma Shri in 2020. Saroja Vaidyanathan was received Padma Shri in 2002 and Padma Bhushan in 2013. Saroja Vaidyanathan is associated to Bharatnatyam dance. The first Bengali woman writer, Ashapurna Devi, received the Jnanpith Award in 1976. The famous Kathak dancer Sitara Devi received the Padma Shri in 1973. The first person to receive the Sahitya Akademi Fellowship Award in 1968 was S. Radhakrishna. M.S. Subbulakshmi was the first singer to receive the Bharat Ratna in 1998. The famous dancer T. Balasaraswati was an exponent of Bharatnatyam dance. Defense exams. The first Indian to receive the Richard Dawkins Award was Javed Akhtar. The first Indian to win Pulitzer Prize was Gobind Bihari Lal. State PCS exams. Gopika Verma, Mohiniyattam exponent, was awarded by Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2019. Guru Bipin Singh, Manipuri exponent, received Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1966. Pandit Birju Maharaj, Kathak dance, received Padma Vibhushan in 1986. Sonal Mansingh received Padma Bhushan in 1992. Pandit Ravi Shankar, satirist, was awarded India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna, in 1999.